All right, welcome back. It's Christine Horn, your life and career coach and the creator of Hollywood Bound Actors Live, happening in Atlanta, August 25th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm glad you tuned into this next video. I've been talking all about my 4-step methodology that I'm going to be teaching on the 25th of August, and I want you to join me there. So the last video, if you missed it, make sure you find it, go watch it. I'm talking all about mindset. So the second part of my methodology is acting techniques, right? This is important because the reason why, you could have all the mindset stuff in the world. You could be praying, you could be meditating, you could have affirmations. I'm the best, I'm the most talented, I am great. You can have all of that, honey, but if you are not working on the craft of acting, you're not gonna book. Now, you might have some pizzazz and just something that's just blows people away when they see you, and that's something that's an inner dynamic thing that you may have, a light that may just be so attractive, and that may get you far to a point. But at the end of the day, the work has to speak for itself. At the end of the day, you gotta know when you get that script come in, whether you have 2 days or 10 days, how do you break a script down? How do you, because my specialty is, my sweet spot is teaching TV, okay? And I teach some film too, but TV is my real sweet spot. And I work in both mediums, so that's what I'm gonna be teaching on the 25th of August. So if you don't know how to break down a script, do the research, what network, what pace is the show, what do I need to wear, how does my hair need to be, what kind of character am I, you know, how to do that with a quickness, then you will fall flat on your face. You can talk, how many times have you met someone who talked a good game, and then when it came time to show and prove, they sank? You don't want to be that person. So when I'm coaching my actors, we don't just work on, hey, telling everybody I'm great. You gotta do the work. You gotta sit down and put your student hat on. I always tell my students, put your detective hat on and really see what it means to create these really truthful, layered, beautiful characters and bring them to life. Acting is key. That's where I started. I grew up in the theater. I started taking, I went to Performing Arts High School in Atlanta. Shout out to Tri-Cities High School in Atlanta. Then I went to the American Musical Dramatic Academy in New York and studied musical theater. And then I left early and hustled and got my union card. And then I had my big break when I joined The Lion King. And I did it for 5 years. I did 5 companies. I did both Cheetah Tour, Gazelle Tour, I did Las Vegas, I did Broadway in 2008. My dream came true to do that. And I also got to go to Germany and workshop it there. So it was an amazing experience, but then I transitioned into film and TV, but I had all that history of creating characters and performing. Listen, to my theater actors who are trying to transition to TV, I am your girl, because I have been there. I know what it's like to have 0 credits because they're like, you're too big, you're doing too much, your expressions are too big, my eyes are too big, I'm smiling too big. Like, all that stuff, I had to learn how to navigate a new realm, new territory. But I'm so grateful that I'm rooted in craft. Shout out to my mentor, Freddie Hendricks in Atlanta, the Youth Ensemble of Atlanta. I was rooted in craft. So some of you, it's okay. You're starting late, or you took a break to have kids or family or whatever, and now you're coming back in. You might feel a little rusty. You don't have it down. Many of my actors will say, Christine, I just need to know how to make the right choice. Or I need to know how to make a strong choice in a short amount of time. I need to know how to turn these auditions around quicker. I get caught up in my nerves, and then I don't know what I'm doing, and then my audition sucks. If that's you, I got you. I need you to show up on August 25th, 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia. Well, it will always be home to me. Oh, I miss Atlanta. So I can't wait to go, eat some good food, see some friends, but more importantly, I wanna teach you, I wanna have these 6 hours with you be life-changing, game-changing for your career. I want you're gonna leave filled up. I want you to show up with your cup, honey, empty, and leave full. If that sounds like something you wanna do, I want you to click the link above or below. Do not delay. Stay tuned for the next video where I talk about my next M in the mama methodology. That's marketing. I'm Christine Horn, your life and career coach, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.